Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is Arena Teaching Center. I will teach you how to write, format and edit. Today we are focusing on translation. So I want to teach you how to translate to multilingual languages, whereby you can also, publish on different marketplace. We actually focus more on US marketplace and UK marketplace, Canadian marketplace, rather than German or French or Spanish. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to translate your work from English to German or to Spanish or to French. But we are just going to be using only one language so that the video will not be long. So once you know how to translate from where I'm going to be teaching you from, you can start translating your books, mostly the ones that you know is selling in other marketplace as well. So one of the place I want to use in doing my test try when it comes to translating is ChatGPT. Translating through ChatGPT is very easy. So we're going to be using ChatGPT and we're going to be comparing with other platform. Another platform we are going to be using is Google Translate. Google Translate is actually the known and best translation site that you can use to translate from English to any language of your choice. Another one is I use my notepad. So I use my iPhone notepad to do my translate. And the last one is Canva, of which most of us don't know. You can actually translate your English version book to any language of your choice. So we're going to be using French, and we're going to be using French, which is the most popular. German is also popular, Spanish is also popular, but we're going to be using French so that when you want to translate, you can start with French. And we're going to be comparing to see if the one ChatGPT give to us is the same or similar with the one we're going to be getting from Google Translate, or with the one we're going to be getting from iPhone Notepad, or with the one we're going to be getting from Canva. Alright guys, so I asked ChatGPT to give me a brief teaching on menopause. So this is a brief teaching. I'm just going to copy it, okay, and copy. So this is it. This is what it gave to me. So what we'll do now is that we'll go to our first one that we are going to be using, okay. And when you get here, just search for, when you get to your search bar, search for Google Translate. So I'll click on my Google Translate. So what we'll do now is I want to switch it. You can actually, if you want to search for other language, you can just click on where this French is and you see other language. You select the one of your choice. I said we're going to be working for French, like translating from English to French. So what you do next is to click on these two arrows, the one that is going right and left. Just click on it. So as you click on it, it has switched it from English to French. So automatically it has translated from English to French. You see how quick and easy it is, okay? And if you go through this content, there is no slight difference between what we got here and between what ChatGPT gave to us. So when you are translating, kindly go through your work to see, compare and contrast to see if it's actually accurate, so that you know the one that is best used for you, the one that will be easy for you, the one that you will use, that your work is not going to be scattered. Are you getting it? So this is it. So now I'm currently in my Canva and I want to show you how to translate from English to French through Canva. So what I will do now is just to copy my text. I actually wanted it to be really visible, but I went to copy the entire content that ChatGPT gave to us. So here's our work. Let me arrange it properly. Okay. All right, so I want to show you now how to translate with Canva. You understand? Mostly for those of us that are using Canva to design and you would like to translate your book, your already made book, from English to any other language. Instead of you copying and pasting again, you just automatically translate your book from Canva directly. So let me say I'm going to be duplicating this page. All right. So now I want to translate. So what I will do is, first of all, I will click on this three dots and I'll click on my content, and after clicking on my content, I'll go to translate text. Are you getting it? So I'm going to choose the language that I want, which is French. You can actually make your work to look any part, like any style of tone you want. You want the original format, you want a conversational format, you want a professional, friendly, inspirational, or informative format, whatever format you want your work to look like. But before clicking on any of this tone of voice, you first of all test try it to see if it's something that you will like before doing anything. So we're going to click on translate pages. All right, so translate pages, not just one but the 2 page. Apply to pages. You can translate your entire book. Are you seeing it? So if you have 100 page, you can click on the 100 page and translate at once. So we're going to be translating all our English pages to 100 page. So automatically it has been translated from English to 100. So let's go through it. So this is our English page. Okay, this is our English page, this is our English page. Now this is what our French page. So if you have like 100 page, it's gonna give you completely entirely 100 page of translated version of English to 100. So instead of doing it bit by bit, you can actually translate from 1 to 100. You can translate your entire book at once. So let's confirm it. All right, so this is the translated version. Okay, so I hope you guys are like going through the content to see if there's similarities. So you have to pick the one that is best for you. You can use Google Translate. Just know that when you are using Google Translate, it's not going to arrange your work properly for you. So you have to, like, when after translating, you copy and paste and reformat. Are you getting it? If you are using ChatGPT, click on that search button so that your work will be very easy for you. Though while copying your work, it's going to be putting the sources of where it got the content from. You only need to remove the source. Are you getting it? All right, so this is for Canva. Now this is the translated version. Kindly let's review it properly. Let's see the starting of the word. So this is the translated version. Let's check what we got from ChatGPT, the one in my app. Okay, let's see if they are similar. As you can see, you see that the one from app is properly arranged, but don't copy from the app directly. Go and copy from the web version. Okay, want to like compare and contrast to see if they are accurate and to see if ChatGPT mostly is accurate. All right, as you can see, there is no slight difference of the ChatGPT format and the Canva format. Are you getting it? It's the same thing. So you can actually use ChatGPT. You can use Canva. Remember, everything using ChatGPT, using Google, using Canva, they are all artificial intelligence. They are all AI that is doing the translation for us. But Google is the oldest of all. ChatGPT just came on board, and Canva Translate also just came on board. So now you know how to go about it. The last one is my notepad. For me to be able to translate through my notepad, I will have to go to my web version of ChatGPT to copy the content, because this particular content is not going to paste very well in my notepad. So go and copy the content from ChatGPT and take it to my notepad. Okay. All right, so we are going straight to my notepad. This is it. So I'll just click on the test. You see how everything automatically came out well. So what you do is that if you say, okay, I want to use notepad, my notepad, mind you, arrange your work properly. Arrange your work, because after translating, it's not going to arrange your work properly for you. Okay, you have to arrange your work the way you copied it. Just arrange it properly. So that's not why we are here. We actually want to know how to translate. So after highlighting my work, I'll click on the arrow, this particular arrow that you are seeing, and click on translate. It's on Germany right now. I'll click on French, and after clicking on French, it's going to translate. So this is the translated version of it. So you can actually check from here, and the one we got from ChatGPT, the one we got for Google Translate, and the one we got from Canva. You see that there is no slight difference from the one we got from all sites. So you can actually use your notepad. I don't know if Android notepad can translate. You can use Canva, you can use Google Translate, and you can use ChatGPT. So this is the end of today's teaching, and if you find this video very impactful, kindly like this video so that it will reflect on YouTube algorithm, and they'll be able to put my video in other audience. And outside that, kindly share to your friends and family, and also click on that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified immediately. Bye bye.